Hello dearies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today, we are going to unbox ITZY's 2022 season's greetings. It arrived today actually, and I'm more than excited to open and dive into the contents of these. And since it's actually my Christmas break, so I have more time to do stuff. So yeah, I'll just probably say a little things in start, like how adorable is the outbox of their season's greetings for next year. um, I think this is one of my favorite outboxes among all the season's greetings I've seen really being I've seen that will be yeah, I blanked out, I'm sorry. Like among all the season's greetings for 2022, because I think this is a like suitcase, traveling suitcase style, and I think it's really cute because usually season's greetings boxes are just boxes. I love that they try to do something with it, and my only problem is I don't know how to store these. So yeah. So anyway, I already removed the plastic covering for this one to make things life easier for us. So we'll now unbox and I'll just share my thoughts afterwards. So let's go unbox. So that's it for ITZY's 2022 season's greetings. I had so much fun unboxing these because everything is so cute inside. I like the colored stories, I like the theme, and it's cute that it went for a summer theme. And the girls all look so good in each theme. They always slay anyway, so yeah, overall I like everything that's inside. I'll probably take the journal and the calendar ano um let me see. Okay, I'll probably take them out before January starts, and it's nice that I pre-ordered this one because I will not have any trouble buying a planner for next year. I could just use ITZY's. And for the planner, I think it's good. It's usable because some planners aren't. When I buy them from the bookstore, it's not. And yeah, I don't know how 2022 what will 2022 will be, because I remember going to Starbucks to collect stickers just to get the planner, and then I wasn't able to utilize it because it was in 2020, so I didn't have any. I used to be so into planners and journaling, but when the pandemic struck, I lost inspiration and motivation to do journaling. So I guess having a planner included in season's greetings is a win-win for me, because I spared myself from trouble of finding planners. I could just start with this, and yeah, I'm sorry, I'm a bit woozy. So anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and hanging out with me, and let's hang out on the next. Bye bye!